Hello students, hope you all are fine. So, let's begin today's lesson. Tense. What makes you think I'm tense? Oh, that. It's a thing in the past now. At present, I'm fine. We'll see what happens in the future. So, students, the picture is very colorful and I'm sure you must have loved it. But did you catch here some words? Yes, come on, think hard. I mean, you can look here in the picture. Yes, the words like tense, past, present, future. So, I'm sure you must have got the idea by now that today we are going to learn about tenses. Today we will just give you the introduction of the tenses. What is tenses? So, let's quickly look at the definition of tenses. The word tense is derived from Latin word tempus, which means time. I think it's the basic info which we should know if we are learning tenses. So, remember students that the word tense is derived from the word tempus, which means time. Okay? Let's further read the definition and you'll understand the importance of the word time. It's a verb based method used to indicate the time and sometimes the continuation or completeness of an action or a state in relation to the time of speaking. To understand this definition, let's first look at this chart. So, in English language, there are three basic tenses. I am sure you know about them. Three basic tenses are the past, the present and the future. These are our three basic tenses. So, what are these three tenses? Let's look at them. We all know that the past tense is used for anything that happened before this moment in time, means which has happened already. The present tense is used for anything that happens right now, which is ongoing, or for the general statements. And the future tense is used for anything that will happen at some point later on in future. So, I am sure this is very self-explanatory for you all that when we use past tense for the activities which are already completed, like the actions which are already done. So, we say that they are in the past tense, it has happened. For the one which is going on, we use present tense, and for the one which will be done or things which will happen in future, the actions, we use future tense. So, it would be now clear for you to understand this definition that tenses denotes the time of an action. In simple words, we can say whether the action was done in the past, present or future. Further, what you need to know is, which is very important, that each basic tense has four aspects, or you can say subtenses: simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. Before we get into the details, let me first show you the chart which shows all the tenses. We have in total 12 tenses. And as we discussed, let's look at this chart that there are three times: present time, past time and future time. And their four aspects means subtenses. They are simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. So, students, when you combine the basic tense which is in the left side and the subtense which is mentioned above, means the time and the aspect, when you combine both of them, you get all 12 tenses. So, let's look at one. The present tense and simple subtense makes the present simple tense. Then we have present continuous tense, then present perfect tense, and last present perfect continuous. In the same way, we can make tenses with the past and future times as well. See, the same way, and that's how we get our all 12 tenses. And we will discuss all these tenses one by one in detail in our next class. I hope for now you understood the basics of tenses. Have a very good day, students.